everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here at a beach on the north shore of Puerto Rico. So today I'll be using the Equinox 800 here. I got the headphones with it. I got my sand scoop here that I got from Golden Detectors in Golden, Colorado. Of course I got a hat because the wind is going to be blowing my hair all over the place, right in my face. I'll be running the detector in beach mode 1. Today I might actually be discriminating out the bottle caps. So as you can see right there is another metal detector. That's the first time I've seen another metal detectorist out and about in the same place that I'm about to go. As you can see, it's super cloudy and windy. Hurricane Isaac is just now passing Puerto Rico to the south. So this is all the tail of that. Anyway, let's go ahead and start swinging the detector. Wish me luck. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start out by ground balancing in beach mode 1 here. So I went ahead and discriminated out the 12, 13, and 14. That's all those pull tabs. I think I'm gonna work off of that today, just to hopefully get a different target other than pull tabs. Here's a real nice target. It's a pretty solid 29 right here. All right, I got it in the scoop. There we go. That's a quarter right there. It's a modern one. There's an eagle on the back of it. Idaho, I think. Cool. Here's another good target. This one's ringing up as a 26. That's a dime. There's something else in the hole as well. This one's ringing up as a 17. That's probably a penny. All right, that's also in the scoop. Yep, zinc penny. Yep, zinc penny. Discriminating out those pull tabs really makes a big difference. I mean, I'm gonna miss any gold rings or anything else that rings up as a 12, 13, or 14, which is where the gold rings do like to pop up, but not all of them. Some of them ring up lower, some ring up higher. So we still have a chance. Just it gets really old pulling pull tabs out of the ground all the time. Another penny. Another penny. Sorry about the wind. Pennies left and right. Here's a good signal, 30. All right, I got it in the scoop. That's a dime right there. So we're getting a lot of coins. I mean, coin after coin. That definitely is more exciting than pull tab after pull tab. So I'll be happy to discriminate that out anytime. However, I am gonna probably miss gold rings if I scan over them and they happen to be ringing a 12, 13, or 14, which probably is the majority of the rings, but really that's okay. I still have a chance to find a gold ring if it rings up 11 or below, or 15 and over. And I do know that rings can and do ring up in those different ranges. Like here's a 10, 8, 9, 10. That could be a gold ring. Like a smaller one, or it's also not discriminating out silver. If there's a silver ring, that'll ring up nice and high. This one's pretty deep. Straight down here. All right, I got it in the scoop. Ah, a rusty bottle cap. Yeah, this is a really small target. It went through my scoop. It's just a little piece of metal. It was ringing up as an 8. Looks like a piece of copper, actually. Interesting. That's actually a dime. It looks like a penny, but that's the way that the ocean corrodes them. Looks kind of coppery, but that's a dime. This target seems to be a lot smaller. Ringing up as a 22. Got it in the scoop here. Oh, a key. Yeah, it's ringing up differently, you can tell. There's a 23 right here. It's in the scoop. That is a corroded copper penny. This tone is a little bit higher. Might be a dime. Got it in the scoop here. It is a coin. That's another copper penny right there. Just rang up a lot higher than the previous one. We get a nice 29. That might be a dime. Oh, that's a quarter. A modern quarter. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. Constant wind, but we do have a hurricane pretty close, so it is what it is. I think this one might be a bottle cap. No, that one's actually a dime. Cool. Got a really nice high signal here. This could be a quarter. It's in the scoop again. It's only a dime. Modern dime too, so it's not silver. Huh. That one just rang up super high for some reason. That's one thing that's awesome. The targets are so abundant. I'm just one after another. I'm not even walking 2 or 3 steps and I'm getting another coin. I already have a pouch full of coins and I only went from like those pigeons. It's awesome. There's multiple targets right here. That one might be a a bottle cap. That's another coin. Penny, I'll take it. There's another one. $21 right here. Still in the hole. Still in the hole. Wow, it's ringing up super high now for some reason. and it moved on me. It's still in the hole. Man, still in there. It's like right here, straight down. All right, I think I got it. I thought wrong. Where'd it go? Just gone. It's weird. I don't know how that happens. So I actually found that target. It was another key. I must have turned the key on its side or something. That's why it stopped ringing up, I guess. I don't know. It's pretty crazy out here. This is, yeah, metal detecting in a hurricane, basically. It's so windy. Got something in the scoop here. A dime. Yep, I knew this one was gonna be a quarter. It's got some green stuff on there too. Corrosion. Whoops. That's one thing that's nice about having this scoop. I don't have to bend down at all. I just grab it with the scooper. I bought this thing at Golden Detectors in Golden, Colorado. I'll leave a link to their website and stuff in the description. If you're wondering, my sensitivity is at 24, which is actually pretty high. I don't need to be that high, but it's allowing me to, it's not messing with anything. It's not chirping, chattering or anything, so I'm gonna keep it at that. Here's a nice tone right there. Press the pinpoint button, which is right there. Center it over it and scoop it up. Check the hole. It's still in there. This video might be garbage. If you can't hear the audio, then you won't be seeing this video, I guess. Shake it out, grab your coin, whatever's in there. That's a dime right there. Off to the next one. There's one right there. This one's ringing up a little bit higher. Probably another dime. It's in the scoop. There it is. Another dime. Oh no, that's a penny. That is a penny. Off to the next one. This detector is awesome. They're now available on Amazon. You can actually buy them now. They were really hard to get for the first year that they were available. Nobody had them, everybody was sold out. This is the Equinox 800. There's a link in the description if you want to purchase one. I would highly recommend it. So we're gonna go down onto the wet sand here. And we're just gonna go ahead and re-ground balance. You just hit the settings button and then this button. You wait a few seconds and then it ground balances. You can see it's a -7 now. It's way different than it was back on the dry sand. And we're ready to start swinging here. So I went ahead and turned the sensitivity down a little bit to 20 here. Seems like when the water comes in, I get a little bit of chatter. And since I turned it down, I don't get that chatter anymore. So that helps out. Turn the sensitivity down. That is a penny here. All right, well, I'm back in the room and I laid everything out here on the sink. So you can see there's a unbelievably small amount of trash. Most of this stuff is before I turned on the discrimination, before I started discriminating this stuff out. Yeah, only a couple things in comparison to the other day when all I got was bottle caps, pretty much. And then here is our treasure hoard of beach treasure here. Just a ton of coins. I guess I should probably count them up, huh? And then 2 keys. All right, let me count these up real quick. So we got exactly 50 pennies. Some of them are copper, most are zinc. Nothing was like wheat pennies or old or anything that I can tell. Some of them I can't, there's no way I'll know. I would guess maybe 10 of them are copper though. Here we have 28 dimes and 8 quarters. And that is what we got today on the beach. So if my math is correct, that comes out to $5.30. I would say I was out there for maybe 2 hours. In that hurricane, it was awesome. There was nobody around. There was a few people just walking around, but for the most part, let's go out on the balcony here. For the most part, it was just me out there. Nobody bothered me, and I was able to do what I wanted to do for as long as I wanted, I guess. The wind was so bad though, hopefully the audio came through. I didn't edit that beginning part yet. I just took a shower and filmed this, so I'm gonna edit everything after this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. I put out a new video every 3 days. Links in the description for all equipment and merchandise. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.